Markets have begun the week on a very firm footing. If you look at broader markets, once again outperforming the benchmark indices. Both the indices are up over 1% in trade. Let me take you through the stocks that are buzzing today. First up, I'll talk about Affle India. That particular counter has hit record high levels for the second time in a month. It's up almost 10% in trade. It's locked in at upper circuit. In the last 30 days, the stock has actually zoomed almost 50%. In the last 52 weeks, the stock has gained over 280%. The stock is actually seeing a steady up move since it's reporting its Q1 earnings. Also, a few days ago, it said that it had some analyst calls as well. On back of that, you're seeing a lot of interest in Affle India. Stock is up again, once again. Let me talk about BASF India. Fifth day of gains coming in for that particular counter is hit a 52-week high. The stock has gained over 13% intraday as Plutus Wealth Management has acquired 3.15 lakh shares in the company. In the last 52 weeks, if you see, BASF India has actually gained over 65%, while it's up almost 28% in the last 30 days. Phoenix Mills, third day of gains coming in for that particular counter, up over 4% in trade. Phoenix Mills has actually closed its QIP. GIC Singapore has actually bought 41% of the total QIP. Union Bank gaining well today on back of their Q1 earnings performance. The net interest income was higher by about 154% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at around 6,403 odd crore rupees. You also have the profit that was up about 48.3% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at around 332 crore rupees. If you look at what are the other stocks that are buzzing, you have chemical counters that are buzzing. Government on Friday extended anti-dumping duty on imports of phosphoric acid of all grades and concentrations for Korea for another 5 years. On back of that news, you have Tata Chemicals that is up in over 4 months. It is at its highest level since February 20th. You have Gujarat Alkalis also that is up for second trading session, is gained over 3.5% on this particular news. Let me talk more about what is phosphoric acid. That particular chemical is used in fertilizers, sugars, textile industries, food flavoring, beverages, as well as medicines, among others, use of that particular chemical. So on back of that news, you're seeing a lot of chemical stocks are buzzing. Let me move on and let me talk about Oil India, the nation's second largest state oil and gas producer. Saw a net loss of around 248 crore rupees versus a profit of around 624 crore rupees that posted last year, and that's one of the reasons why the stock is actually down about 2% in trade. Sterlite Tech has surged over 10% intraday on reports that the company is planning to hire about 300 to 400 professionals in FY21. The group CEO, that is Anand Agarwal, spoke to PTI and stated that they are strengthening their ecosystem, their wireless and 5G ecosystem. So clearly on that front, they are continuing to see a strong level of hiring. The company also noted they are going to hire professionals with requisite experience as well as freshers for the growth areas. So 300 to 400 personnel is what they are planning to hire in FY21. On back of that particular news, Sterlite Tech is up over 10% in trade. Second day of gains coming in for the counter, and it's up about 20% in the last 30 days. So these are the stocks that are actually buzzing in trade today.